Hello guys, Mary here. It's been long since I recorded a video, and today I want to talk about a program that I joined last year, and I haven't made any video and I had not started promoting. So I started promoting this offer last month on around 24th of the month. It's over a month now, and I want to show you where I am at now. So I work with Powerhouse and as an affiliate, and I've been there for like 3 weeks now. I only promote during weekends only, and so far, as you can see my dashboard, I've been paid $582 from Powerhouse. That is $582 working over the weekend only. I only work on weekends only. If I was working on weekdays and weekends, then if I was working full time, maybe I'll be paid much better amount. So let me show you my invoices that I have received from Powerhouse, and then you'll decide for yourself if you want to join me. So as you can see here the invoices that have been paid. All of this have been paid. Remaining amount that I'm expecting to be working on it to be paid next week is around $18. So Powerhouse is actually a good site to work with, and they have so many offers that I want to show you right now. So let me show you the offers that they have. They actually have over, I think, 100 offers, or so many of them. So you can choose from these casino leads. This for casino, it's CPA. When someone sign up, you get $7. They have sports streaming, email submit, finance. These are like easy loans. These are loans. They have commerce things, like you can sell something like a drone and earn money from it. They have business opportunity. So many of them. So as you can see, it's around so many of them. Let me just show you what I'm promoting now. I'll show you what I'm promoting, and some countries, a few countries are now ineligible. I don't know why. They were allowed previously, but right now they have been blocked. So when promoting your offers, make sure you check which countries they are allowed to sign up for Powerhouse offers. So guys, this is the dashboard. This email submit, you earn $0.75 CPA per free sign up. When someone join using your landing page and put their emails and names and confirm their email and join Powerhouse, you earn $0.75. Yes, $0.75 just for them submitting their names and emails. Another offer is an offer for training. They have training for AdWords, for native traffic, and generally on online marketing. It's a good training that you should access if you are a newbie, or even if you are a guru. This is the best training that they can offer you. It will really help you with your internet marketing. So access it, and I'll show you right now that offer. Give me a few seconds. Let me search for it. It costs only $47 per month, and you get to learn a lot. That will help you with so many things online. It's not only for Powerhouse. Here is the training. So this is the training and marketing. So you earn. So when you join this training, when you buy this training, I'll get $47. It's 100% commission. When you bring someone to join using your link and buy this training, you get $47. So imagine if you get 10 people per day, actually 10 people per week, that is $470. Good money that you are being paid every Friday to your PayPal. Yes, every week. It pays weekly. You don't wait for your paycheck. You just wait for your money every single Friday, as long as you reach a minimum payout of $100. So guys, the link is below here. Sign up, join me in Powerhouse, reach me out. You will see my Facebook link. You can just inbox me if you need any help, and I'll help you. I also help you with AdWords to run ads. We'll do a live meeting and we will set up your campaign for AdWords. Absolutely free training for AdWords. So see you soon, and don't hesitate to join now and start earning money just like I do with Powerhouse. So talk soon guys, and I'll make a new video. Actually, I should show you my PayPal before I leave. Let me just show you my PayPal for Powerhouse. You'll see it for yourself, and then you'll decide what you think about it. So this is my PayPal. So here is this payment. This is for Powerhouse, $160 that I received last week from Powerhouse. And then there's another one, $229 from Powerhouse. And then there's another one somewhere down below. So you can see guys, it's actually a good company. If you get paid weekly, even if it's $100, that is around $400 per month. Yes, $400, which is great. It's a lot of money in some countries. Even in my country, that is someone's salary, a whole month's salary. $400, that's like 40,000 in Kenya. Yeah, a whole month's salary. So guys, join me now and start earning. Let's talk soon. Goodbye.